fire alarm system, and also called the smoke alarm and the smoke detector. Function of the fire alarm system is to detect and identify a fire or the potential fire outbreak in a building. It warns the occupant of the building via the audible alarm and the potential notify emergency response professional. The main component of a fire system, the smoke detector, also the heat or gas detectors, and the manual call point, also called a break glass, which is enabled to person who physically saw or detect a fire to rise up the alarm. The advantage of the fire alarm system is the low cost. It's also an early warning benefit and the potential to save life and opportunity to place the device is chosen location.